wasted the sky's food.
Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
Why the sky is far away. Many years ago, the sky was very close to our Earth. People could reach up, break off a piece of the sky, and eat it. The delicious sky tasted like coconuts, strawberries, and other scrumptious foods. Since people didn't work for their food, they spent time painting beautiful pictures, weaving colorful cloths, and singing songs. However, the people often wasted the sky's food, taking much more than they needed. Soon, heaps of leftover food were piled everywhere. The sky became very angry and spoke to the people. "You are wasting my precious gift of food. If you continue to do that, I will go away." For a short time, the people were careful. They took only what they needed from the sky. However, one day, during a lively festival, they forgot all about the sky's warning. The people danced and sang and ate. They broke off huge pieces of the sky. It was much more than they could ever eat. Some people concealed their leftovers by burying them. However, the sky saw everything and said, "You are greedy and wasteful. Now I will go far away." "But how will we eat?" asked the people. "You will work for your food by planting crops," the sky replied. Then the sky floated up high where it is today.